We're happy in our own way. Yeah. By any chance, who brought writing version 2 today? Wow. Did you all make it nice and pretty? Make it nice and pretty? Oh, your writing is very talented. So good. Very good.
I think writings make our concert better, right? I prepared the magic show this morning. I prepared the magic show.
Oh, you are magic show?
This is magic is sound magic.
Oh, sound magic. Sound magic.
Maybe this light is colors. Next change the color is yellow. Yellow. Someone's hair color is yellow.
Where's my nightstick?
So someone says yellow is echo version. This lighting is yellow.
Oh,
this is sound magic.
Oh, really?
Someone's this is yellow. This is yellow. Not yellow. Yellow. Okay?
Okay, Jongo, show me first. Yeah. Okay. Show me first. We need practice something reference.
I think I says yellow.
Yeah.
It's changing color. So
I'm not talking this. Don't change, please. But so maybe actually wanted to your yellow. Yeah.
Maybe orange, yellow. Okay, someone says yellow. Let's go.
Okay. I don't count this.
3, 2, 1. Yellow. Next is
I'm surprised too because I see the screen.
next to change the color is white.
White.
Yeah. This is magic show. So white is looks like some
Yes. Oh. Everyone hide.
Where's my Yunho thingy?
you.
White. Maybe to legendary members.
So because you know Seabird?
Yes, I know Seabird.
You know Seabird?
Yeah, I know Seabird.
Ateez knows Seabird? He says Seabird.
Yours are not.
You found it, Seabird. 화이트로 바꿔줘.
Son, you can change.
시워야 화이트로 바꿔줘.
Why?
Yeah, that's why.
Change the white color.
More.
Okay. I know. We don't have time.
Ateez really want to see our next stage. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
so sorry. So I keep going my.
Continue.
So, all our performances on any stages, but the space with our Ateez is even more special, right? So we know that Ateez have voice that can break the wall, right? The shooting test out. Okay. Okay. Okay, then studio testing out. Okay. Okay. Anthony, everyone please chant. 4,4,5,6,5,6,5,6,5,6.
Yeah, okay. So, let's keep going. I think we have to go to the next stage. Oh, yeah. So, okay. So Ateez want to see something that's sexy cheers and sexy cheers and sexy cheers.
We have a stage so you can see the next stage with 60 songs.
No. Just do some motion. Just do it. 1, 2, 3. Yo. Okay, let's go to the next stage. Yeah.
Let me try.
You want to try one more? Okay. Okay. Yes. No, because we have to go next stage. Yeah, okay. Ateez, yeah. Let's go one more. So, yeah. So we need more energy to go to next stage.
Have fun? Have fun? I think we were hyped for the concert. And I think Ateez was also expecting for this concert too. How did you feel to do this in person? You feel me? Then say with me. Okay? And then say with me.
Yeah, I think they are ready for the next stage.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Oh, what do you like best about us?
Okay.
I think they like jumping handsome. It's really fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
I see. And what else? And what else? Something.
What do you like our what part do you like the most? Oh.
Energy.
Yeah.
Oh, you like? We are both.
Your birthday. Yeah.
For me, I like seeing your reactions and talking to you.
Oh.
Yeah, if you have something to tell us, go for it.
Love you, I love you, I love you, all of you.
All of you. Also, I'm so proud of you.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're my father.
That's cool.
Okay, for this song, I already told you, we need your energy. Okay.